Yeah, hello everybody. We are group number 1. We are going to show our presentation that include how to create a database, users, revoke and granting privileges. First of all, we have to create a database that is organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically, and it allows users to store, efficiently retrieve and manage large amounts of information. For create a user, after creating a database, you must need to create a user. You can create a new user and grant them permissions. For example, you can use such SQL or structured query language, create a user, new user, albaz localhost, or create new user as such localhost identified by password, and grant all privileges on database to new user are those commands that are used to create and modify a user. We must also grant specific permissions, like instead of granting all privileges, you must want to grant specific permissions, like grant, select, insert, update route on my database to a new user or localhost. Such syntax to grant or to give the permission to the user for accessing the database. We have the second one, which called revoke, and help us to remove those permissions that we have been give to the user. Chapitre number 2, we have described data control language. Data control language can be a subset of SQL commands used to control access to data within a database. It controls data that are in database. I have seen those, revoke and grant, and get more details. A lot of data control language are access control, can control access for the database, data integrity, audit, trailers, separation of duties, and have to describe data definition language. The definition language will include how to create a table, where we use create a table and table name. Those are tables that have been created, like members table, product table, for which the company or cooperative can produce, and they have cooperative table. All commands of creating tables are shown and I have talked about. So, benefits of a little name and drop table are like flexibility, scalability, efficiency, and quick iteration. To name a table can have function like or advantages of organizational refactoring and easy transition. To drop table is to clean up permanently the table data that are not needed, and space management, and even simplification of data structure by removing redundant. We have to describe data manipulation language, such like to insert. Those images are showing how we have been created and inserted using CMD. Retrieve data using select statements we have talked about. And so another important thing is union, aggregate, and string function for advanced queries. Union is like to combine two columns or to combine data from one table to another and retrieve them as one column, as a single column. Aggregate is also like retrieving a given column from one table. And you have string function, which is used to modify string or text. We can have concatenation by joining two types of text. Also, let's see about commit, rollback, and begin a transaction. Before we commit or update or make change to a data in the database, we have to begin a transaction. After beginning transaction, we make the change by which was called commit, and then after we roll back. When you have rolled back, it comes to the initial point where we have been started. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our